Helo, Nia Jones dwi, rheolwr y prosiect Carlam Cymru yma yn e-sgol. Hello, I'm Nia Jones, Carlam Cymru Project Manager here at e-sgol. Felly, be ydy Carlam Cymru? Wel, fel mae'n dweud ar y sleid, casgliad o fideos adolygu ydy Carlam Cymru. Pob fideo yn para rhwng 30 a 45 munud ar gyfartaledd. As it says on the slide, Carlam Cymru is a bank of videos, each one lasting between 30 and 45 minutes on average. Gellir defnyddio'r fideos mewn gwers, fel arf adolygu, gellir ei gosod fel gwaith cartre. Ac yn ogystal â hynny, gall ysgolion ei defnyddio fel gwersi cyfan pan fydd athrawon yn absennol, enghraifft. The videos can be used in a lesson, as a revision tool, they can be set as homework, and they can also be used as complete lessons to cover teacher absence, for example. Mae'r fideos yn rhad ac am ddim i bawb, a gellir eu cyrchu o dudalen gartre Carlam Cymru ar wefan e-sgol, neu fynd yn uniongyrchol i'r sianel YouTube. So they are freely available to everyone. They can be accessed from the Carlam Cymru homepage on the e-sgol website or directly from the e-sgol YouTube channel. Erbyn hyn, mae gyda ni yn agos i 1,000 o fideos sydd wedi cael eu gwylio bron i 84,000 o weithiau ar draws popeth. We now have nearly 1,000 videos, which have been watched nearly 84,000 times across the whole collection. The majority of these are subject-specific videos that zoom in on specific parts of the GCSE and A-level courses and give tips to learners on what to revise and how to aim for the highest marks. Yn rhan o'r casgliad hefyd, mae gyda ni fideos sy'n mynd i'r afael a lles, a sut i edrych ar ôl yr iechyd meddwl yn ystod cyfnodau heriol, fel cyfnod yr aroliadau. Also in the collection are videos on well-being, which give tips on how to stay mentally strong during times of stress, such as during the exams. And we also have videos giving tips on revision methods and strategies. Roedd y fideos lles a rhai sgiliau adolygu yn newydd eleni. The well-being and revision skills videos were new this year. Fel y gwelwch chi yma, ceir amrywiaeth eang o bynciau yn y casgliad. As you see here, there is a wide variety of subjects in the collection, with the newer subjects there being criminology and media studies. Cafodd asudio'r cyfryngau athroseddeg eu cyflwyno am y tro cyntaf eleni. Ond ar hyn o bryd, does dim byd ar gyfer y pynciau mwy creadigol yn y casgliad. A'r bwriad eleni ydy ehangu i gynnwys celf a dylunio, cerddoriaeth a drama. There are currently no resources for the more creative subjects, and the intention for next year is to expand to include art and design, music and drama. Da ni rwan yn mynd i wrando ar Hugo, disgybl yn Ysgol Bro Pedr, yn siarad am sut mae o wedi bod yn defnyddio adnoddau Carlam Cymru. We're now going to listen to Hugo, a pupil in Ysgol Bro Pedr, talking about how he has been using the Carlam Cymru resources.
Helo, fy enw I yw Hugo, a dwi'n disgybl lefel A yn Ysgol Bro Pedr. Hi, my name is Hugo, and I'm a Year 13 student in Ysgol Bro Pedr. Defnyddiais Carlam am y tro cyntaf yn yr haf cyn fy arholiadau TGAU, a roedd yn defnyddiol o'r ddechrau. I used Carlam for the first time in the summer before my GCSE exams, and from the very beginning it was clear what a useful resource it was going to prove to be. I have since used Carlam extensively before every major set of exams, and each and every time it has proven itself superior to other online resources that are currently available. It's quite often that I'll be doing a past paper, or sometimes even panicking in the exam hall itself, and come across a question that, without having used Carlam, it's unlikely I would have been able to answer. But what did make Carlam quite so useful for me? Well, am un peth, roedd y fideos o cyfarfodydd wedi didoli gan uned, oedd yn gwneud darganfod y gwybodaeth oeddwn ni eisiau yn hawdd iawn. For one thing, the videos of the meetings were sorted by unit, which made finding the relevant information extremely fast, particularly for the science subjects like chemistry and physics. Many similar revision resources have mixed content, making locating the misunderstandings I most wanted to address more difficult. Being able to type in Carlam Cymru into the search bar, and within about 3 clicks navigate to exactly the video that I wanted, made it much more accessible, many times making it the easiest way to reach the information I wanted to. Am peth arall, roedden nhw'n hawdd I gael mynediad ar ôl y cyfarfod greiddiol, ac roedd hynny'n rhywbeth bwysig iawn I mi, oherwydd roedd amserlen y cyfarfodydd greiddiol aml yn clasio gyda pethau arall roedden ni'n gwneud. The fact that the meetings were recorded after the original meeting had taken place was also really important for me, as my timetable often clashed with that of Carlam. This meant that I didn't need to worry about clearing my schedule for a specific meeting, which again is very different to other resources that are currently available. The format of the videos as a no-nonsense, simple recording of a Teams meeting was also ideal for what I wanted, as lots of, for example, YouTube videos, which claim to offer the same information, are over-edited, making it difficult to find what you want from them. Carlam's simple, recorded nature was quick and easy to jump into at almost any point, without being distracted by confusing visuals. Roeddwn hefyd yn gwerthfawrogi rhyddid Carlam o ran dim gwthio'r gwyliwr I creu cyfrif. Oedd unrhyw un yn gallu cael mynediad i'r adnoddau yn hawdd iawn. I really appreciated the freedom Carlam had with regards to not forcing the user to create an account. It would have been an extra effort to have to make a separate account with a different username and password to remember, having to log into that every time I wanted to remind myself of some fact or other. Mae'r proffesiynoldeb o trefnwr hefyd yn rhywbeth sy'n gwneud Carlam I serenu. Mae cael athrawon sy'n gwybod eu pwnc yn rili dda yn helpu rhoi hyder, oherwydd rydych yn gallu ymddiried yn beth maen nhw'n dweud. The professionalism of those running the meetings also contributes to the success of Carlam. The teachers who are running the meetings are clearly extremely knowledgeable in their subjects, and it gives confidence to the viewer when they are presenting something difficult. I knew that whenever I was watching a difficult topic being explained, I was watching someone who I could trust in their explanations, making it very easy to slot in whatever new facts they were presenting. Fodd bynnag, I mi, prif cryfder Carlam oedd ei hyblygrwydd. Carlam's flexibility and specificity was its main attraction for me. Even if there was only a very small gap in my knowledge, if I was able to recognise that, then I could rapidly and efficiently find a Carlam video with pertinent information that addressed my questions perfectly. The fact that it is specific to the WJC exam board was the cherry on the cake. So many websites and other revision guides focus on the English exam boards, meaning that not only do you have to actually learn the subject content, but you also have to filter out what may not be on the course specification for that exam. With Carlam Cymru, I knew that everything that was discussed in a video was relevant to my exams and could add whatever facts I didn't know straight into my subject knowledge. I gloi, mae Carlam Cymru wedi bod yn help enfawr wrth I mi paratoi am fy arholiadau, a dwi'n siŵr fyddwn ni wedi cael lot mwy trafferth yn adolygu hebddo fe. Carlam Cymru has been a massive assistance to me while preparing for my exams, and I'm sure that my revision would have been a lot more challenging without it. Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr I Hugo. Wel, fyddai'r prosiect hwn ddim yn bosib heb y tîm o athrawon hynod ymroddgar sy'n creu'r adnoddau hyn wrth gwrs. Fel roedd Hugo yn dweud hefyd, ac rydyn ni ddiolchgar iawn iddyn nhw. This project would not be possible without the team of dedicated teachers who create these resources, as Hugo also mentioned, and we are very grateful to them. We're now going to hear from one of those teachers. Rydyn ni'n mynd I glywed gan un o'r athrawon hynny rwan.
Helo I chi gyd. Benw I yw Neri Stevens ac rwyf wedi bod yn ymwneud â chyflwyno sesiynau cemeg Carlam Boed hynny yn cyfnod allweddol 4 neu cyfnod allweddol 5, ers nifer fawr o flynyddoedd erbyn hyn. Yn wir, rwy wedi bod yn rhan o'r ymgyrch ers yr ymgyrch cynnar yna o Power Up. Hello to you all today. My name is Neri Stevens and I have been involved in delivering Carlam chemistry sessions, both at Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 5 for a great number of years by now. In fact, I've been involved since the Power Up campaign that took place very early on. Initially, and possibly selfishly, my intention at the start was simply to help support my own pupils at my school, having recognised the problems and difficulties experienced by them post-COVID, and having also seen firsthand how they had benefited greatly from accessing and watching the first sessions presented by some of my colleagues. I was therefore keen to be part of a team of such a professional and experienced teachers. Together, we had the common aim of supporting our pupils and help them regain their confidence in their own ability following such an unsettled period in their educational journey. I ddechrau ac o bosib yn hunanol, fy mwriad ar y dechrau yn syml oedd helpu gefnogi fy nisgyblion fy hun ar ôl cydnabod y problemau a'r anawsterau brofwyd ganddynt ar ôl Covid. Ac ar ôl gweld dros fy hun hefyd sut yr oeddent wedi elwan fawr o gael mynediad at gwylio'r sesiynau cyntaf a gyfrannwyd gan rhai o fy nghydweithwyr. Roedd yn awyddus felly i fod yn rhan o dîm o athrawon mor broffesiynol a phrofiadol. Gyda'n gilydd roedd gennym y nod cyffredin o gefnogi'n disgyblion a'i helpu a ennill eu hyder yn ei gallu ei hun yn dilyn cyfnod mor ansefydlog yn ei taith addysgol. Fel ystyniad eisoes, rwyf wedi cynorthwyo i gyflwyno sesiynau cyfnod allweddol 4 a chyfnod allweddol 5, ac mae'r datblygiad i gynnig pynciau anghyrraedd ynghyd ar eu craidd dros ychydig dymorau diweddaraf wedi ei groesawu gan ddysgwyr, athrawon a rhieni fel ei gilydd. Gallaf ddweud hyn gyda sicrwydd gan fy mod yn ddiolchgar fy rhiant fy hun o fod gweld y manteision am y rhaglen Carlam wedi cynnig ein plant fy hun. Fel pennaeth cyfnod allweddol 4 yn fy ysgol, rwyf hefyd yn ymwybodol iawn fod fy marn i yn un sy'n cael ei rannu gan lawer o rieni eraill. Mae bob un ohonynt yn cael ei chyflwyno i adnoddau Carlam fel rhan o sesiynau rhieni cefnogi'n eich plentyn ac yn helir gennym ni'n yn ysgol yn flynyddol. Dyna faint o argraff mae'r ymgyrch nid yn unig wedi cael arna fi, ond hefyd ar yr uwch dîm arwain yn fy ysgol. Ac mae'r ffaith bod bob sesiwn yn cael ei recordio a bod dysgwyr yn gallu cael mynediad iddynt pan fo'n gyfleus iddynt hwy ac yn gallu rhai yn ymweld fwy nag unwaith yn rhoi'r rhyddid iddynt ad gyfnethu ei dealltwriaeth heb y pwysau o'r angen gwneud hynny o fewn amserlen gaeth neu o fewn yr hyn y mae'r rhai dysgwyr yn teimlo ar y degau i fod yn amgylchedd dan bwysau yn y gwersi ysgol ei hunain. As I previously mentioned, I have assisted in delivering both Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 5 sessions. And the development into offering both core and non-core subjects over the last few seasons have been welcomed by learners, teachers and parents alike. I can say this with some certainty, as I'm grateful as a parent myself to have seen the benefits the Carlam programme has offered my own children. As the head of Key Stage 4 at my school, I'm also very aware that my opinion is one that is shared by many other parents, all of whom are introduced to the Carlam resources as part of the Supporting a Child parent sessions held by us as a school annually. That is how impressed not only I am, but also the senior leadership team at my school are with the campaign that Carlam run. And the fact that all sessions are recorded and can be accessed by learners at their convenience and can be revisited more than once allows them the freedom to reinforce their understanding without the pressures of needing to do so to a strict timetable or within what some learners feel at times to be the pressurized environment of the school lessons themselves. These sessions have also enabled me to adapt my own teaching practices as well. One of the main advantages by now, following numerous series of sessions, is that we as a team have been able to cover so many different topics. For chemistry, for example, I'm confident that there are by now very few topics that we have not prepared a session for, offering pupils across Wales a wealth of valuable resources, all of which are specifically tailored for the syllabus of the WJC, of course. Yr sesiynau yma hefyd wedi fy ngalluogi I addasu fy arferion addysgu fy hun. Un o'r prif fanteision erbyn hyn yn dilyn cyfresu niferus o sesiynau yw ein bod ni fel tîm wedi gallu ymdrin â chymaint o wahanol bynciau. Enghraifft yn Cemeg, yr wyf yn eitha hyderus mae chydig iawn o bynciau nad ydym wedi paratoi sesiwn ar eu cyfer erbyn hyn, sy'n cynnig cyfoeth felly o adnoddau gwerthfawr i'n disgyblion ledled Cymru, bob un ohonynt wedi teilwra yn benodol ar gyfer cyrsiau cybac. O ganlyniad i gael cymaint o sesiynau wedi recordio ar gael yn disgyblion, mae ddigwyddiad eithaf cyffredin bellach fod mod yn gosod y dasg o wylio sesiynau penodol i'n disgyblion fy hun fel tasgwedd cartref, enghraifft. Mae hyn yn galluogi'r disgyblion i gael sylfaen y gallwn wedyn adeiladu arno o fewn gwersi, gan sicrhau bod bob munud o bob gwers yn cael ei ddefnyddio i'r eithaf. As a result of having so many recorded sessions available to my pupils, it is now quite a common occurrence that I myself set my pupils the task of watching specific sessions as a homework task. This enables the pupils to have a foundation, which we can then build upon within lessons, of course, ensuring that every minute of every lesson is used to the fullest. I'm also aware that the keenest of my pupils regularly access these sessions independently throughout their Key Stage 4 and Key Stage 5 studies, as a way of analysing the depth of understanding they have on certain points, and then use them to reinforce their understanding even further. This task is so easy for them to carry out independently, as the website itself is so easy to navigate with the search facility enabling them to easily access the support they require quickly and effectively at any point. Rwyf hefyd yn ymwybodol bod y rhan fwyaf o'r disgyblion brwd sydd gennyf yn cael mynediad reolaidd i'r sesiynau yma yn annibynnol trwy gydol eu hastudiaethau cyfnod llwyddol 4 neu cyfnod llwyddol 5, fel ffordd o dadansoddi'r dyfnder dealltwriaeth sydd genddynt ar rai adegau o'r flwyddyn, ac yna neu defnyddio i atgyfnerthu'r dealltwriaeth honno ymellach fyth. Mae'r dasg hon mor hawdd iddynt ei chyflawni yn annibynnol, gan fod y wefan ei hun yn hawdd iawn i'w liwio, gyda'r cyfleuster chwilio yn ei galluogi i gael cymunediad hawdd at y cymorth sydd ei angen arnynt yn gyflym ac yn effeithiol ar unrhyw adeg. Fel yn gobeithio ei fod yn hollol glir erbyn hyn, rydw i mor falch o fod yn rhan o'r tîm mawr ac ymroddedig o athrawon erbyn hyn y mae Carlam yn ei defnyddio, ac yn gobeithio gweld yr rhaglen yma yn parhau i fynd o nerth i nerth felly. As I hope this clip has shown you, quite clearly by now, I'm very, very proud to be part of this large and dedicated team of teachers at Carlam Uwch, and hope to see the programme for that reason continue to grow and go from strength to strength. Pnawn da I chi.
Diolch i Neri Stevens yn fanna. I orffen, dyma rannu fy manylion cyswllt. Felly, cofiwch gysylltu os oes unrhyw gwestiynau neu eich bod yn dymuno trafod unrhyw beth yn ymwneud â'r prosiect hwn. Finally, here are my contact details. Please do get in touch if you have any questions or would like to discuss anything to do with this project. Fe welwch chi yma ar y sgrin daflen sydd yn eich gwahodd chi i ddweud eich dweud. Bydden ni'n croesawu clywed eich barn am yr adnoddau hyn. You will see here on screen a leaflet inviting you to have your say on these resources. We would welcome hearing your views about these resources. You can either follow the QR code or type the website address into your browser. Felly, diolch yn fawr i chi am wrando heddiw. Thank you for listening. A hwyl fawr.